Jamesy.
What's up, it's Jamesy, and today we're going to be drawing Trippie Redd. Did you know that Trippie Redd used to live on a street called 14th Street in Canton in the USA, and that's why he's got the 14 tattoos? There you go, now you know. Let's get to it! Today we'll be using a thick Sharpie and a thin Sharpie. But you can use whatever thick and thin pens you want. Let's get started with the head, in particular the pupils. So we're going to do a half circle, and we will start a little half circle and then we're going to join those. Just colour that in for the pupil. Then the right pupil over here, half circle, then a big half circle joining those up. Colour that in. Now we're going to do the outer eye, outer part of the eye. Just mark some points, join those up with a half circle, and join them up around the bottom. Same on the right eye. Join the top with a half circle, and then join the bottom with a half circle. Next, the nose, and do some circles. Just mark some points out and join those with a little bit of a circle, and then over this side with a curve, and then part of a circle again for the right side of the nose. Next, we'll do the mouth. So we'll start on this side, point under the eyes, and do a kind of wavy line for the top of his mouth. Then we'll just do a big curve going underneath, joining those up. And we'll do his teeth, some zigzags, and some zigzags for his bottom teeth. I might just colour in this part of his mouth dark. Next, let's draw his tattoos. So I'm just going to draw the cross on his head. Colour that in. Then he's got a 14 under that. 14's got little arrows on the bottom. Or the numbers, sorry, have got little arrows on the bottom. Then there's an 8. And under his eye on the left, there's a piece of barbed wire. And then a little hand. And Ump's Revenge, which is one of, I'm not going to spell that out, I'm just going to do a little bit of. And then scar above his right eye. And then a scar underneath his right eye. And then it says love scars under his right eye as well. Next time we're back to the thick Sharpie pen and draw his eyebrows. So his eyebrows are simple, just above his eyes, like a slight curve, make the inner bit a bit thicker, and then the same on the right. But we'll do a bit of a wave for this one, make it a bit thicker in the middle. There you go. Next, let's draw his chin. So we're going to start off about here, and we'll do one big, actually I'll mark this out. We'll draw a line from all the way around. Get to that point, and we can stop and turn our hand, and then go all the way around to there. Let's do his hair. So, start with his hair, I'm going to start in the middle. Start there, and then about there.
Remember to subscribe and click that like button.
drawing like a curved, kind of like a curved triangle. And then we'll do the same all the way around. Just mark some points where you want his hair to be. Go back to there, go back to here. Nearly there on the right and the left side. We got to the middle, the top, and we'll start on the right hand side. Where this bit of hair goes down by his eye. I'm just marking these points like I've been doing, just to plan out where I'm going to draw things. It's always good to plan. And then nearly there on his hair. One last little dread. Let's do his body and legs. So with all our bodies, just do a slight curve at the top, curve straight, and then we'll do the right side. So curve straight, then join those bottom bits. Then let's do his trousers. So we're going to go in a little bit and draw a point and do some curves for the bottom of his trousers. Just do a line between his legs and some straight lines down. I'll tell you what, we'll do some stripes. No, let's do his pockets on his trousers first. Just do some curved lines for his pockets, and then we'll do some stripes on his top. And next we'll just add a little bit of detail for his fly on the button on his trousers. So do a little circle and then his fly on his trousers. Next let's do his arms. So his arms are just simple curves down to his hands. So start from the top of his shoulder down to there, and then his hand on the left hand side. Start about here, go around to about here, and then we'll do a curve that goes around like that, and then just some fingers and some stripes. Don't forget the stripes. Colour those stripes here. There's his left arm, and then we do the same on the right, but just the opposite way around. Curve, curve, and then just mark these points out. Curve. Come around to here. Curve it round. His fingers. And then some stripes. Colour those stripes in. Done! let's do his shoes. So to start off with, we'll do the tops of his shoes right there like that, some lines, and then we'll do a kind of backwards S down to about here. We'll do the side of his shoe, straight line, and a curve. We'll do the same on the right hand side, like this out, S shape, straight line down the bottom, and then a curve very bottom, sole of his shoe. Let's move on to the other pen, the thin Sharpie pen, and get his Jordans drawn. So let's start off with the sole, and then the lacy bits, and then some more lacy up bits, top of his shoe, heel, middle, like so. Some laces, forget the laces. 3, 4, 5, 6. We'll do the right shoe, sole, lace bit, more lace bit, and the final lace bit, and then heel, Nike sign, and some more laces. Oh, got to this bit, laces. 1, 2. Doing the laces a bit different on this side. Made a mistake. You can always make a mistake though. Just put one more there. And don't forget to sign your artwork. Sign it your name, not mine. My name's Jamesy. So we're going to do a J, A, M, E, S, Y. Smiley face. I hope you enjoyed this video of how to draw Trippie Redd. I enjoyed drawing him because he's kind of my favourite artist at the moment. Great music. And don't forget to smash that subscribe button for the YouTube algorithm and the like button for the YouTube algorithm. And I will see you in the next video.